It is called the Key States Initiative.
A campaign creating controversy in town. The Center for Biological Reform brought 3 trucks to town. Each truck displays huge color photos of aborted human embryos and early fetuses. The group is trying to draw attention to abortion in presidential battleground states.
Well, we believe the culture is in denial about who the baby is and what abortion does to the baby. And because we're a visual culture, we believe visuals, particularly graphic visuals, will change people's understanding of who that baby is and what abortion does to him or her.
Some were turned off by the pictures as they shopped sidewalk sales and even ate lunch downtown.
Right downtown and right in front of restaurants.
I find the trucks to be a little bit, it's quite grotesque to tell you the truth.
Well, the trucks will be in South Dakota over the weekend and in Iowa starting the beginning of August. The new center received a letter from Planned Parenthood in response to the billboards. It says, quote, harassment and intimidation will not prevent abortions. Access to comprehensive, medically accurate sex education and reproductive health services will.